A stroke occurs when there is an interruption in the blood supply to the brain. When a stroke occurs, some brains are temporarily starved of oxygen, causing them to swell and stop working properly. This is why the effects of stroke are worse at the beginning. After a few days, when the swelling starts to go down, some cells recover, but others may not. Even then, other parts of the brain can be encouraged to take over. Ischemic stroke. This happens when a clot blocks an artery that carries blood to the brain. It may be caused by a blood clot which has formed in the main artery to the brain, a blockage caused by a blood clot, air bubble or fatty lump forms in a blood vessel somewhere in the body and is carried in the bloodstream to the brain, a blockage in the tiny blood vessels in the brain. Hemorrhagic stroke. This happens when there is a rupture of a blood vessel in the brain. It may be caused by a blood vessel which bursts inside the brain, a blood vessel which bursts on the surface of the brain and bleeds into the area between the brain and the skull. It is important to understand that no two people are affected by stroke in the same way. Some people have only mild effects which improve in a short time. Others may suffer more serious and long-term effects. The effect of a stroke on a person depends on which part of the brain has been affected and how much damage has been caused. The brain has two sides, hemispheres. The messages, nerve signals, cross over at the base of the brain.